There are infinite branches or territories in architecture that we need to explore.
We're designing through data. Why? Data is the future now. With data we get insights into complex systems that otherwise won't have been apparent.
We love to design with clients that are more ambitious, as they push us beyond our ordinary capabilities.
The world is changing fast. If we're still using the old ways of working, we're going to get left behind.
In Code Collective, we use computational algorithms and artificial intelligence to design unique and performative architecture. With empirical grounding, we achieve this by using the latest technologies and data analytics. Our highly specialized architect coder team designed by scripting spatial relationships in a dynamic process that results in highly specialized spatial arrangements, reduced operational costs, and high environmental performance. This brings architectural, financial, and ecological value to our projects.
We are pioneering a hybrid subscription-based practice model that works by providing post-occupancy services to end users, allowing us to capitalise on our intellectual property and to learn from our computer work. As building technologies have become more and more advanced and more complex, the biggest limitation to their effectiveness has been increasingly human nature more than the nature of building itself. Building information modelling is already the backbone of modern architectural practice, but once the building is complete, this wealth of knowledge is typically made redundant. Despite this, there has been a ubiquitous growth in the internet-connected sensors dedicated to control and monitoring a variety of services from heating, ventilation, lighting, even building occupancy. Massive data is available, but often in obscure and proprietary formats. Code Collective sets a new benchmark for building intelligence by combining this data with our building information models in order to create a bespoke web-based user interface for each completed project. These virtual models augment real-time data visualization with constantly learning AI that suggests tweaks or enhancements, rates user satisfaction, and even helps control the building. This interface is provided to building occupants and managers for a nominal subscription fee relative to the project scale and complexity. Every project we complete expands our dataset, giving us a competitive edge by consistently integrating feedback with our early-stage design work and providing an empirical evidence base to allow us to pioneer new and faster, more efficient computational design processes.
Our practice ethos is tailored around two client focus groups offering two types of services, advisory and design respectively. One of the services we offer concerns with analysis and overlay of various temporal data of a physical environment using a complexity science framework, in particular how this can contribute to understanding processes and change and effectively transpose those research outcomes into new and or supplementary planning policies. The target client profile for this type of service will be local authorities and or technology companies, so disruptors. Another of the services is aimed at providing an optimised and adaptable architectural response to the previous research outcomes at either master plan or individual building scale. For example, this may include aspects such as optimised user space, materials, solar gain and others. It is a service tailored to individual consumer requirements. Targeted clients include private and public developers.
The Code Collective will look beyond BIM at the integration of AI and machine learning in both design and post-occupancy architecture. So parametric design has already been integrated in the architecture profession, but we took this further and look at the use of feedback loops between already constructed projects and our initial designs to aid the client in development of strategic briefs and also into the integration of design at each stage. This model is continuously developed in-house to create increasingly informative outcomes to aid in the development of strategic briefs for the client.
There are endless opportunities.
Anything is possible.
If I need to describe working at Code Collective in one word, it would be futuristic.
Computation.
Agile.
Freedom.
The depth element.
creation,
Unique.
Responsive.